Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video, I'll be talking about the Quest Global Software Engineer full stack role that has opened up. This will be a full-time role where you'll have to be present in office in Bengaluru, Karnataka. Now, moving on to the key responsibilities that they have listed. So you will be creating interactive user-facing applications using languages like HTML, CSS, TypeScript, and your front-end frameworks like React.js. You will be building APIs, server-side logic, designing architecture, and using frameworks like nodejs for this. Also, you will be managing, creating, or designing database structures. So they use both SQL databases like PostgreSQL, MySQL, and NoSQL databases as well, like MongoDB. So apart from that, they also want you to be involved in testing and debugging. You will be taking part in automated testing and troubleshooting issues, debugging, so that your application has the best possible performance. Also, some involvement in deployment and DevOps. So managing deployment workflows, including working with CI/CD pipelines, working with Docker, Kubernetes, and cloud hosting in Azure or AWS. And you will definitely be working with designers, with product managers to understand what are the requirements of your stakeholders. So definitely communication skills always come into play in any kind of role, right? So that is about your responsibilities. The work experience that they have demanded, it is kind of going hand in hand with the responsibilities. So having some kind of experience in TypeScript is mandatory. Experience in frameworks like React.js, Next.js, Movex, knowledge of Node.js, and also some experience with relational as well as non-relational databases, how to build and integrate your RESTful APIs, how to move around with your version control tools like GitHub, and work with tools like CI/CD. So these are all the work experience or the prerequisites or skills that they have demanded for you to be able to apply for this role. Talking about the hiring process that they generally have, after you complete your application process, their team will be reviewing your application and they will be shortlisting from the resume round itself. So if your resume, your experiences, your skill sets that you have defined in your resume match with the job description, then you will definitely be shortlisted for the assessment round. So they will be asking you to complete one or more assessments or tasks, so they can assess your abilities and whether they can proceed further. Now after your assessment, your online assessment rounds only, you will be having an interview. Now it won't be one, it can be many. So you'll be asked to participate in technical interviews, behavioral interviews, cultural interviews, right? HR rounds will also be there. Now how many technical interviews they take is completely up to them. They will be taking it on the tech stacks that they have mentioned, the work experiences that they require from you. So make sure you are well equipped with the PYQs and platforms like Glassdoor. They have all the PYQs in a well-structured format for Quest Global. You can go through that. So make sure you are well aware of what kind of questions are asked, and depending on your how satisfied the evaluator is, they will be asking you for your next interview, or whether they'll be moving forward to your behavioral interviews directly. So number of interviews, so it's not a definite thing, it depends on your performance completely. Now after your behavioral and cultural interviews get over, after your set of technical interviews, they will be deciding based on your performance whether you are fit to join as a full stack developer as at Quest Global, and they will be extending the offer to you in a few days. So these are the rounds, the process of hiring, and all the criteria that they have mentioned for this role. Whether or not you get selected, go ahead, apply before the link expires. I have attached the application link in the description of this video, so don't be late, go ahead and apply. And if you are liking my content, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I do post quite frequently on companies which are currently hiring for internships and job roles, especially for college students who are on the lookout for this. So please subscribe to my channel, and hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.